While laws may not evoke compassion in a person for these voiceless, innocent animals, it can surely be deterrent for offenders anytime they come close to harming an animal next time. Today's video is a list of laws that we can use to protect these animals. Section 11I of the Prevention of Cruelty on Animals Act makes it punishable for any person to abandon an animal. The fine in this case is up to Rs 50. However, this is only for the first time offender. In case the offence is committed again by the same person within a period of 3 years, then he may be liable to pay a fine of anything between Rs 25 to Rs 100. He can also be sentenced to a 3 months imprisonment or both. Section 428 and 429 of the Indian Penal Code makes it a punishable offence to kill, torture or poison an animal. The fine in this case can be Rs 10 and above or a rigorous imprisonment of up to 2 years or both. As per the Government of India Animal Birth Control Rules 2001, no sterilized dog can be moved or relocated from his area. However, if the dog is not sterilized, the society can ask an animal welfare organization to help sterilize and vaccinate the dog but cannot relocate him. Also, the minimum age for a dog to be sterilized is 4 months. So that means only after a dog has attained the age of 4 months, he or she can be sterilized. Keeping or confining an animal chained for long hours with heavy chains also amounts to cruelty under the Prevention of Cruelty on Animals Act. In this case, the punishment can be up to 3 months imprisonment or a fine or both. Fifth, if an owner fails to provide sufficient food, shelter and drink to its pet, which are the basics, then the owner can be held liable for punishment under Section 11(1)(h) of the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act 1960. The fine in this case will be up to Rs 50 for first time offence, and if the offence is committed again within a period of 3 years, the fine can be anything up to Rs 100. Sixth, it is illegal to slaughter animals at places of religion like temples and on streets. Animal sacrifice has been made illegal and punishable under the Local Municipal Acts, Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act 1960, the Indian Penal Code and Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Section 38J of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972 prohibits teasing, molesting, feeding or causing disturbance by way of noise or otherwise to an animal, a punishable offence. Anyone found guilty of any of these offences shall be liable to pay a fine of Rs 25,000 or shall be liable for imprisonment which can be extended up to 3 years or both. Section 16C of the Wildlife Protection Act makes it unlawful to injure, damage or destroy any wild bird, reptile, their eggs or their nest. It is punishable with an imprisonment of up to 3 to 7 years and fine of Rs 25,000. Evidently, neither the fine nor the imprisonment is strict enough to prevent people from harming these animals. It's true that our laws need to be stricter and they need to be revised. The Government of India in February 2021 has proposed a draft to amend the 60-year-old Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act 1960. The draft proposes to categorize the offences into 3 major categories. Number 1, minor ailment. Number 2, major injury leading to permanent disability. And number 3, causing death by cruelty. It also proposes to increase the fine to 75,000 rupees and imprisonment up to 5 years or both in case of death by cruelty. I hope our pets and strays will be safer in the near future from all the cruelty they have to undergo because of the leniency by the legislature in making laws to protect them. I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends and family and do subscribe to my channel. Also, hit the bell icon so that you're notified every time I post a new video. Thank you.